Good morning, welcome to our Grand Tours, Grand Raw. So I'm just going to show you where we get our sunglasses because this is a really good place for polarized sunglasses, so you're actually getting yourself protection from the sun. And Kirk's glasses, which were a dupe for Ray-Ban, broke yesterday, shockingly. So we thought this would be a great opportunity to show you on the island where we like to get our glasses. So let's see what we've got. So this is the shopping centre. So this is Parque Santiago 6. You can see there's H&M, Skechers. There's a massive Mercadona. So let's just have a little wander, and then obviously I'll show you where the glasses shop is as well. Little play area as well for the kids. So this isn't too far from where we're staying. We're staying in Cristiano's Pension Player. Very affordable. We're in here for a few days, so it was ideal. If you are staying for longer, I probably would advise getting something a little bit more better, but for what we're doing, absolutely perfect. So just to show you guys. Okay. Oh, this is a nice little seating area. Oh, that's beautiful. So you've got the car park as well. So you've got elevators, lifts. I don't know why I said elevators like I'm American. Where did that come from? But yeah, so you've got lifts. Okay. Go if you want to look like a physique that you've actually put some effort into. This is the place. Don't know if my alcohol and pastry diet is going to achieve that. I'll keep trying. Into sport. I think that's basically like a Sports Direct. Lots of options there, and then we've got a little restaurant here. So a little nosy. There we go, quite nice. Big seating area outside. Right. So this is where we get ours. It's called Bazaar Panda. For some reason it doesn't come up on Google. So yeah, let's have a quick look. I need some hair oil as well.
Polarized ones here. Oh, so they've got polarized in it. So they're polarized. And at £9.99, quite cheap.
Okay.
But then you've got like the costumes. The theme night or something. If you want to come and get a costume.
It's got a bit of everything in it. It kind of reminds me of like the giant palm lands and stuff. So I'm looking for beauty or hair. Got some tool section, a little bit of clothing. There we go. Don't know if they're going to have hair oil though. Kitchen. All like costume stuff. Lots of dog treats, toys. So yeah, it really is a bit of everything, isn't it? Literally just walked around the whole store. There's some swim trunks there as well. Not bad. Right, I think I've done the whole store. Hopefully you guys got a bit of an idea. Everything. Smart crafts.